Every year, billions of dollars in crypto is stolen. It is estimated that 80% of this is due to front-end exploits and seed phrase hacks. That's why we created TapSafe. TapSafe is the best way to secure your crypto. So let's talk about it. TapSafe is a new and safer way to back up your crypto. It is the foundation of Ryder One. With TapSafe, you can split your wallet into multiple backups, making it virtually impossible to lose your wallet. But what makes it unique is that you can combine these backups in any order to regain access to your wallet. Let's take a look at how that works in practice. First, I'll show you how to use it, and then I'll do a deeper dive at the end of this video. I'm going to create my first TapSafe backup on the included recovery tag. The second backup is then created on my mobile phone. And that's it. The backup process is completed. I can now safely use my wallet. What's great about it is that I can add more backups later, and I can use as many recovery tags as I like. Now let's talk about recovery. Let's say one day you want to send the hottest meme coin, only to realize you lost your Ryder One. Keep calm, don't panic. Here's how you can get back in. Well, as soon as you have your shiny new Ryder, you can start the process on your phone. Go to recovery settings. Here you can select your backup, tap your Ryder One, and as you can see, I'm already halfway there. For my next backup, I'll use my recovery tag. One final check. And there we are. The recovery process is exactly the same if you want to use 2 recovery tags instead of a mobile phone. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if we lose everything? That's where recovery contacts come in. If you want more peace of mind, you can choose to share a wallet backup with some of your trusted friends and family. Completely optional, of course. Now, to show you how that works, first, I'll need some friends. I can give each of them a backup to help protect my wallet. And all they need to do is download the Ryder app, although we seriously recommend them to buy a wallet. They open the Ryder app and choose to become a recovery contact. At the same time, I take my Ryder and go to the TapSafe menu, select to create a new backup, and choose recovery contact. Then I tap on their phone and it's done. I simply repeat the process as many times as I like. Thanks, friends. And you don't have to worry. Your recovery contacts cannot access your wallet. And that is because one recovery contact is equal to 1/4 of your backup. So that means that if you want to recover your wallet using only recovery contacts, you need at least 4 of them. And remember, recovery contacts are completely optional and fully self-custodial. In short, you have many ways to back up your wallet. Only you know what's best for you. So here's a few options. You can use a recovery tag and a mobile phone. You can use 2 recovery tags, or 4 recovery contacts. The possibilities are endless. Using TapSafe clearly has a lot of benefits. TapSafe is safer and more resilient than the seed phrase. However, some people are still used to the seed phrase, and we designed TapSafe with that in mind. In fact, TapSafe and seed phrases go hand in hand and are fully compatible with each other. Both TapSafe and seed phrase back up the same secret wallet information that is used to access your wallet. Finally, TapSafe will be fully open sourced and is audited by Hellborn Security. You can therefore rest easy knowing that your wallet is backed up by TapSafe. I hope this deep dive into TapSafe helped. If you want to learn more, check out our website on Ryder.id or reach out to us on one of our official channels.